Hi everybody, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can use ChatGPT for resume. So let me tell you guys that ChatGPT has two versions. One is the website version and another one is the application one. So here we are using the application version in order to resume. So if you are going for the job interview and of course the job interview will ask you for the resume and you don't know how to, then the ChatGPT can help you. Open up the application and in the message box type in write a resume and tap on arrow. So it will suddenly ask you to create a resume. It will ask you for information. So just provide all the details or your contact information, education, work experience, skills and any other relevant details you would like to include. So once you have provided all the information, it will automatically create a resume for you. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can use ChatGPT for resume. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.